Okay, so here's my example, the first example, where we're trying to find the area and the perimeter of the shaded region, which is a sector. It's like a piece of the pie. And so let's start with area. To find the area, you're going to take if this is 150 degrees, this arc measure would be 150 degrees. So we're going to say 150 is to 360. As the area of the sector would be to the area of this whole thing. And if you square 24, you get 576, and that is pi. Now, if you multiply diagonally to solve this proportion, looks like you get 86,400, and that is pi equals 360x. And then if you divide by 360, x is going to be 240 pi. And I love that answer. It's an exact answer, but we start doing a lot of Google Forms and it's hard to write in a pi. We're going to approximate our answers. And this would be approximately 753.982. And that is absolutely an area, so it's in centimeters squared. Now, when we're finding the perimeter, it's a different idea. So perimeter, we want to actually find the arc length. Whoa, that was kind of ugly. So we're going to remember what we did yesterday. We're going to start the same. Our arc measure over 360. And we'll say the perimeter is y. And we want to do the circumference, not the area of the circle. So the circumference is going to be 48 pi because it's 2 pi r. When we multiply diagonally, we get 7,200 pi equals 360y. And if we divide by 360, we get 20 pi. And that is equal to y. So the perimeter of the sector would be 2 radii plus the arc length. And if you get an approximation for that, it is going to be 110.832, and that would be in centimeters. Okay, so again, we found the area and we found the perimeter of the sector. To find the perimeter of the sector, you have to add the 2 radii and then the arc length. Okay?